See, there you go, Mick. Practice makes perfect. And that's also, quite frankly, why the simulated platform is so good, right? You can afford to make mistakes on the simulated platform, and that's what it's there for. Yep, sorry about that. Didn't have my headset on. Now I do. That should be much better for you guys. All right. So Mick, what I was saying is that's why we have the simulated platform to practice on, so that you're proficient when the time really hits to do that. All right. Like I said earlier, really looking for Boeing an entry if we get back down to about where it was trading earlier today, somewhere near the lows between 348, 349. Lockheed is interesting because yesterday morning Boeing was upgraded, Lockheed was downgraded. Lockheed was actually up on the news. Today it looks like it's maybe taking that downgrade into effect today. So that could be interesting at some point. Kohl's was one in addition to Target from yesterday that I was looking at. I don't want to get in it here. I still think there's going to be another pullback. If there is, I'd love to do that.